Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another short video. This is a very brief update on the King Street, Milbourne Street reform demolition. As you can see, the site now is 100% empty and completely flat. Looks like all the machinery has been moved out, apart from that one dude there with his roller, flattener, whatever it is. But yeah, look, the whole thing there is completely empty and completely flat. So if any more of this block is coming down, I don't know when or even if that will start. We do have that wall on that adjacent property covered by that tarp that is held up by those little bits of wood. That looks like the same thing they put on the Rutland wall after they took down the Ambassador, and they eventually built a new wall alongside that from those cinder blocks, grease blocks, whatever you call them. So maybe they'll start a new wall there soon. So there you've had a good look at that empty site. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that super short update. There was really no point in me making it any longer. Please just hit that like button while you're here, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.